guys, this is Andrew the video, and today I got me a package. I don't know what's in it yet, so let's check it out. It's the go to the office set. That's what we want. So this is a brand new set. I pre-ordered this, so yeah. It took so long. That's why it took so long for me to make this video. So I'll be right back. I need to go get scissors. I'm back with the scissors. Okay. Now let's open this.
Now you're just rubbing it in. There. Who's hungry for scorpion?
Yeah.
What happened to the egg in the corner? Oh, we lost it.
Oh, smash! Ah! Yay, it's opened.
Here we are eating.
You're not getting sure about
Is that it?
Yeah, this is what I'm doing.
Cut it off?
No. Get up. Yes.
Come on. I got stuff to do.
I gotta take everything out first. Oh, I don't have to worry about the box. Is that it? Nope, I still got the instructions to do. And the finger.
Okay.
Wait, Grandma. I need to get this finger.
Pull it out.
I can't pull it out. I need to get my finger in there so then I can actually pull the plastic out. Okay. So inside this video, I'm just going to be reviewing Golden Bear, Golden Freddy. So yeah, look at the detail on the arm. And inside the next video, I have to build this first. So inside the next video, I will be reviewing this. So bye.